Your dog's tongue is his stomach's gatekeeper. By recognizing some foods as yum and others as yuck, it encourages him to eat high-calorie foods and discourages him from scarfing down poison. If you look in your dog's mouth, and yours too, you'll see lots of small bumps called papillae, each of which contains clusters of taste buds. Each taste bud contains about 50 taste receptor cells. Dogs have fewer taste buds than we do, about 1,700 in the average dog compared to 9,000 in us. Taste buds in different parts of the tongue respond to different microscopic molecules. Like us, dogs can identify sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Unlike us, they also have special taste buds aimed at tasting only water. So for dogs, water is probably not tasteless, as we usually describe it. These water receptors are located at the tip of the tongue, the part the dog dips in the water and curls under when drinking. In people, the tip of the tongue is most sensitive to sweet tastes, which is why you like to roll candy around your tongue's tip. In dogs, the rear of the tongue is most sensitive to sweets. That may be why they seem to gulp them down. Dogs also have taste buds in the back of their throat, so they can actually taste that food they seem to inhale without chewing. Sodium. Compared to people, dogs can't taste salt very well. That's because they evolved to eat meat, and meat naturally contains enough salt to satisfy their body's need for it without them having to seek it out. But they can still taste, and appreciate, salt. Different species have different taste preferences depending on what they evolved to eat. Wolves eat a diet of about 80% meat in the wild, so your dog also has a strong preference for meat. But as much as dogs like meat, they're actually omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals, and your glasses, and your cat's poop, and your furniture, pretty much anything. Tests have shown that most dogs prefer beef and pork over chicken and lamb. They also prefer warm, moist foods over cold, dry foods. Of course, just like people, each dog has individual preferences. That can partly arise from preferring what food they ate as a puppy. One study even suggests that the food their dam ate while pregnant can influence a puppy's future preferences. Most dogs like variety, and if you feed them the same thing every day, they get tired of it. Give them something new and they'll gobble it up. The exception is dogs who were raised with no variety at all. They are hesitant to try new foods, and often seem to avoid any culinary adventures.